Welcome back everyone, Killer NC here, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Aukey multi-port USB-C hub. Let's go. So about a week ago, I went ahead and purchased the 2017 Apple MacBook Pro. And I used to have a MacBook back in 2012, I think, 2012, 2013. So I needed to find something that I can use, and I did not want 5 different things to plug onto my laptop. So I wanted kind of a all-in-one solution. So for the price and all the ports that it brings, I thought this was the best deal. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up. Go ahead and move the laptop to the side. Don't want my trusty knife falling on top of it. Alright, so the box is nothing spectacular. It's just a box, and to me, it doesn't really matter. Open it up, and the first thing that we have is the user manual. It's in Chinese, it's in Spanish, and it's in English as well. I think German too, not sure. All right, we'll put that to the side. Then you get the Aukey 24-month product warranty. All right, moving on. We have the USB hub and one of these little mesh cheapy bags. So that's going in the trash. Put that to the side. And here we go. So the cable is not long, as you guys can see, but that's fine for me. I'm gonna have it right next to the laptop. So I actually prefer it this way. All right, and talking about the cable, at the end we have the Aukey branding. All right, and then of course the Type-C. We have the Aukey branding again on the top. And let's go ahead and start with the front. We have 2 USB 3.0 ports. We have a micro SD and a regular SD card slot. And that's great for my camera SD card. So I can go ahead and edit my videos. Moving on, we have nothing on this side. Turning it over, we have the HDMI port, and this will play back 4K. Then we have another USB 3.0, and then we have the Type-C port, and you can use that to charge your laptop while using the hub. Underneath, you have some sticky legs, so it does not move on the table, and that's actually pretty damn good. Okay, and then of course, then you have your model. This is the CB-C59. So there are a million hubs out there on the web for sale. And there are some $10, $15, but I read some reviews. They get hot, they stop functioning, HDMI port just gives out. So I thought instead of spending 15, then 15, and then still not happy, or having 15 little dongles, which add up to more than what this hub is, I thought, okay, well, you know, you kind of gonna get what you pay for. So this one right here is on special for $39.99. All right, so if you think about it, you're getting 3 USB 3.0s, you're getting the HDMI, the USB Type-C, the micro SD, and the SD card slots, all for $39.99. That's not a bad deal in one hub. I will have links in the description if you're interested in taking a look and purchasing it. Please use those, as I do get a small kickback and allows me to continue to make these videos for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and start using it. If I see that it gives me problems, you guys know I'll come back and make another review video, and I'll let you guys know what happened and whether you should buy it at that point or not. Okay? So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Until next time, take care.